The Theory of Sound. The author, Lord Rayleigh, better known as John William Strutt, who was the third Baron Rayleigh. He was a noted English physicist and Nobel Prize winner. His book on the theory of sound, published in 1877, describes the propagation of sound wave and gases, and are the basis on how the ultrasonic transit time flow meter works.
What are you doing, Digby?
Just having a spot of lunch, Governor.
We don't have all day. The conditions are perfect for my experiment right now. Lunch break is over. All you need to do is to get into the boat, paddle across the river to the other side, then paddle back to the same location that you started from, and I will time you.
Let me get this straight, Governor. Time of flight is the measurement of time taken by an object, particle, or wave to travel a distance through a medium. To verify this, you want me to get in the boat, paddle across the river, turn around, paddle back against the current, which will take a longer period of time, to the same location I started from, just so you can come up with the differential transit time to calculate the velocities of said river.
Yes, that's correct. Now, get in the blasted boat and start paddling.
Sorry, mate. Can't do it.
And why not?
'Cause I get seasick.
Well then, out of my way.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Digby, start timing me.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
All right then. Looks like he's now calculating the speed of gravity. Well, based on my calculations, it's time for lunch. Cheers.